In this video, I show you how to fix could not complete call. They cannot get call right now problem on Messenger. For solving this, go to Play Store, search for Messenger. Up to date your Messenger app if available in update version. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open Messenger app. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix could not complete call Messenger problem.